which started on Monday, which we run here with a group of great students. I think we were very lucky with the group. 11 students from different countries, from different disciplines.
Each one went with a very random camera, like a cell phone, iPhone, or whatever, and shot little videos of different places in the city. My guide was to find motion that you could recognize easily.
So there is a translation process from something that is filmed to something that becomes material.
So each one came back with a clip, and the idea was to use those machines to recreate each frame of these videos. I thought the contrast between the precision and the strength of those machines with this diversity of material will create something that we are not used to see.
It was an interesting process, honestly, because it's working with something so precise and technical and then using an unpredictable living material like clay.
And what was interesting in shooting this frame was to see how the light could make the difference between two spaces, like a static one, the stairs, and a dynamic one, the escalator.
Basically what we did is we converted our frames into black and white images, and then we imported it into a 3D modeling software so that we can convert the 2D image to 3D. So we used basically the different gradients and grayscale to specify the heights of the model, and then we sent it to a small milling machine called the roll-in millilla, which is a machine that mills or subtracts volume from a material.
The robot was doing the creative work by redrawing the image, and us, we were like a robot by doing the same mechanical movement by pushing the nails into a support.
And seeing as we had 60 frames to make in the course of this week, we had to modify the way the machine worked, and we were being a little bit abusive with this machine.
There was an interesting relation between Michel Gondry and his passion for technique and for making, and the yak with somehow a very specialized environment with new technologies of fabrication, amongst other things. We try to use the technology for something that it has not been invented for. Also already like maybe searching for accidents, searching for unexpected situations, trying to do something for the first time. It's been really an experimental experience in the sense that I think we really didn't know. We had an idea, but we really didn't know what was going to come out.
I think that's part of the excitement. There is always the danger it's going to fail. It's going to come out completely wrong. And I think that's a risk you have to take if you want to experiment. And sometime in the past, I had encountered catastrophe, but I think it's worth taking the chance. Otherwise, you just reproduce what you've done before.